Hey y'all, I am back with another video. Video. Hey y'all, welcome back to yet another video. If you are new, my name is Avrel and this is Home with a Naturally Stud. Alright y'all, so welcome back to yet another hair video. In this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I got this natural look right here, honey. Okay, so I went ahead and added some twists. I'm not sure if this is Sanglice. I'm not sure if it's called Marley. Well, it's not called Marley because I didn't use Marley here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to whatever the title says. Okay, so I just came off from work. My edges are not as slayed as it was this morning. However, this style I feel like does not call for the laying of edges. Like, I feel like whether it's slayed, laid, or not, it's still a very cute style. It's super natural. I mean, what other words can I say to describe how this style makes me feel, okay? So I went ahead and basically threw in a style. I'm about to do my hair and actually get my knotless done in about a week. And I needed something to just quickly do that can help me to keep my hands out my hair, help me to stop putting so much gel because of my wash and goes, and just take a break from having to get up and refresh my wash and go. You know what I mean? All the naturals, y'all know. I actually used a pre-stretched Kanekalon hair that's actually braiding hair that I never thought that I can actually use because I always thought it would unravel. Now, yes, I was right because I actually had to go ahead and add rubber bands to the ends just for it to kind of stay. But the look that I was going for, I just wanted to get that look of a twist, basically twist on blowout hair, and I feel as though this hair gives that. The technique that I went ahead and used, you will see in the video, instead of using the rubber band, I went ahead and just actually parted my hair, split it in two, twist one end, twist the other end, and then combine it, which you will see later on in the video. Let me show you guys the length before I go. There it is. Let me put it to the back so you can see. Can you see? There it is. So the natural look that I'm getting, every twist is a different size, which is more natural to me. Do it the way you feel best. But for me, I was okay with having small, big, small, medium, whatever. For the first time, I actually did a middle part. I'm not used to doing middle parts, but the reason I did a middle part because either when I part it to the side and twist to the side, I'm stuck to the side part. When I do a middle part, I'm not stuck to the middle part because I can go ahead and pull it this way and get it as a side part. Y'all, it's so loose. There's no tension. Excuse the non-laid edges, but it's okay because we're natural, okay? So I absolutely love it. It's very lightweight. There's no tension, as I said. Even if my hair grows out or it just seems like, you know, it needs to be tightened, it gives more of a natural look. Kind of like when you get faux locks and the older it gets, the better it gets, we always tend to say. It's pretty much the same thing, and something is on my eyeball. It's less than a $15 hairstyle. It did take about 2 hours. And that's 2 hours with me stopping and going, so I could have possibly finished it in an hour and a half or so. But for the most part, I wasn't in a rush. I was okay with the parts not being perfect. I feel as though some of them I could do it in 2 instead of 1, but as I said, it's a really quick style that I'm trying to just hold down for the week. Let's get into the video of how I got this style.
Personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make a then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show words, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take?
All right, y'all, I tried my best to basically show you guys the technique I'm using. I am the worst person to explain, but what I'm trying to do is basically test out and see which direction am I going to twist. So as you can see, my right hand is going over my left, and because of that, I have to twist in the opposite direction of where my hand is going. So if my right hand is going over my left, I have to twist both sides of the hair to the right because we're going to the left. If that makes any sense, I hope it does. Don't worry, I'm going to go ahead and show you another example coming up.
Your eyes tell me that you don't want to leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't want to spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. Nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. Quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love.
Alright, y'all, so we have come to the end of the video. If you have any questions that I may not have covered while you were watching, please feel free to go ahead and comment down below. Leave your questions down below. I will go ahead and link all the products as well as the hair that I purchased to get this style. Go ahead and click that like button. It helps me to help you to help me to know the type of videos you would like to see on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe before leaving now, and don't forget to click that notification bell as well, that whenever a new video is uploaded, you'll be one of the first to know. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.